This is a used 2013 BMW K1600 GTL with a premium package. The color is Damascus Red Metallic. The mileage is 14,887. This is a local one-owner trade that we sold originally. It has been garage kept and is in tip-top condition. There's not a scratch on this bike. The K1600, as we know, is the top-of-the-line luxury motorcycle from BMW. This bike has a warranty through July 12th of 2016, or 36,000 miles. It includes all the keys, the key fobs, the manuals and service records. This bike has been factory maintained here at Eurosport Asheville. It has had a recent service, which including the oil and filter change and brake flush. This bike is 100% ready to ride, and it is absolutely loaded with BMW options. The premium package on this bike include the adaptive headlight, Sirius satellite radio, AM/FM radio, weather band, central locking system and alarm with the key fobs, LED fog lights, traction control, ABS, ESA, tire pressure monitor, the high seat from BMW. And again, this is a premium, beautifully maintained, in wonderful condition K1600 GTL. The color is Damascus Red Metallic. The mileage is 14,887. This is a GTL Premium, price to sell at $19,700.